Science 24, Unit A, Chapter 2, Sections 2.2 and 2.3, Changes that occur and evidence of change. In a chemical reaction, the substances you start with, also known as the reactants, are not the same as the substances that you end up with, called the products. Indicators that a chemical reaction has occurred include color change, odor change, or an energy released or required, gases given off or disappearing, and or solids formed, that is precipitate or solids dissolved. Combustion is a chemical reaction in which fuel burns in the presence of oxygen, heat and light are given off, usually carbon dioxide and water are produced. An example of this would be C8H18, that is octane, plus oxygen forming carbon dioxide and water. Much of Alberta's industry depends on the combustion reactions involving fossil fuels such as oil and natural gas. Neutralization is when an acid and base are added together to bring the pH closer to 7, which would be a neutral pH. The products of a neutralization reaction are a compound and water. An example of this would be hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide forming sodium chloride, salt, and water. Many neutralization reactions are involved in cooking, such as between baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, and vinegar, which is acetic acid, or lemon juice, which contains citric acid. So the reaction between baking soda and one of those produces carbon dioxide bubbles, making, for example, a cake rise. In toothpaste, most types of toothpaste contain some of a base used, a base such as aluminum hydroxide to neutralize the acids in your mouth that can cause cavities, sodium bicarbonate to help neutralize acids, and fluoride, which binds to the enamel of your teeth to help protect them. Abrasives, such as calcium carbonate, help remove stains and plaque, and detergents to create the foaming action that keeps the toothpaste in your mouth, preventing it from running out as you brush. Flavorings are also used to cover the taste of the detergent. Dyes or colorings also make it look better, such as titanium dioxide being added to make it look bright white. Marsh gas. Bacteria produce methane, that is CH4 gas, in wet locations where oxygen is scarce. Methane gas is often referred to as marsh gas because it's present in marshes or bogs. Organic matter is the reactant. Basically, it undergoes a chemical change that produces methane as a product. This also occurs in the intestines of cattle and termites. Methane gas is a greenhouse gas, so it contributes to the greenhouse effect and global climate change that I'm sure you've heard about before. And that's what we need to know about from sections 2.2 and 2.3.